हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 8 इंग्लिश के लेसन 3.4 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, से वेयर फर्स्ट डू द काउज एंड शीप स्टैंड? आंसर, beneath the branches of trees. Next, do squirrels store their food? Answer, in the grass. Next, do stars shine in the daytime? Answer, in the streams. Next, does beauty smile begin? Answer, in her eyes. Second question, think and answer in your own words. First, what could have inspired the poet to compose this poem? Do you think it relates to our present day life? Defend your choice. Answer, I believe that the mesmerizing beauty of nature inspired the poet to write this poem. The poet knows that man is so busy with his own life and his problems, he has no time for nature, he does not appreciate its beauty or its bounty. He wants man to stop being so self absorbed and look at what nature has to offer. He wants man to forget his worries and lose himself in nature so that he can finally relax and find solace in its presence. It absolutely relates to our present day life. Today, with advancement in technology, internet, and social media, people have become less social and further detached from nature. B question, which line proves that in our busy lives we do not even have a fraction of second to enjoy nature's beauty? Answer, no time to see when woods we pass, when squirrels hide their nuts in grass, no time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night, no time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance, no time to wait till her mouth can and reach that smile her eyes begin. See question, beauty in stanza 5 to 6 can refer to a beautiful maiden as well as nature itself. Explain when and how nature dances and also smiles. Answer, nature dances when the trees sway in a cool breeze, when waves crash against the rocks, when bees dance and when birds fly. Nature smiles when flowers bloom, seasons changes, rainbows form and the sun glows. D question, why does the poet call our life poor? Answer, the poet calls our life poor because of the following reasons. We are so busy with our lives that we have no time to stop and appreciate nature. Our lives are full of stress and we do not value the beautiful things that surround us. According to the poet, if we don't have the time to observe nature in all its glory, our life is worthless. Third question, you have learned that when a human attribute is given to anything that is not a human being or it is spoken of as a person, the figure of speech used is called personification. Pick out two examples of personification from the poem. Answer, first, and watch her feet how they can dance. Second, no time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes begin. B question, pick out from the poem two examples of each of the following figures of speech: alliteration, simile, metaphor. Answer, alliteration. First, we have no time to stand and stare. Second, streams full of stars like skies at night. Next, simile. First, streams full of stars like skies at night and stare as long as sheep and cows. Next, metaphor. First, no time to turn at beauty's glance. Second, and watch her feet, how they can dance. See question. The poet opens his poem with a question. Is the question asked to receive some answer? No, it is a question used to emphasize and stress upon the fact that the modern man has no time to enrich his life from nature. Such a device used by poets fall under the figure of speech called interrogation or rhetorical question. Refer to the poem The Pilgrim and find examples of interrogation. Answer. In the poem The Pilgrim, examples of rhetorical questions are: first, why waste your time in building here? Second, why build hay here at eventide? Fourth question, say where the image from the nature given in the poem exists. First, beneath the boughs. Answer. Land. Next, squirrel hide nuts in grass. Answer. Land. Next, streams in a daytime. Answer. Water. Next, star skies at night. Answer. Air. Fifth question, make a paraphrase of the poem Leisure in your own simple words. Write it down in your notebook. Answer. Paraphrase. The poet William Henry Davies has written the poem Leisure to show us how we do not have any time to spend enjoying the beauty of nature. Our lives are full of care, as a result of which we have no time to stand and look at nature around us. We have no time to stand beneath the branches and stare around like the sheep and cattle do. We have no time to see the squirrels hiding their nuts in the grass. We have no time to see the rippling streams appearing to have stars in them. We do not have any time to see beauty around us in nature. If our lives go on like this, then it means we are living poor lives. स्टूडेंट यहाँ हमारे लेसन 3.4 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।